Good morning, boys and girls. This is day 7 of ownership. We're at Somersville, Lake Michigan. You can see that this pile has grown quite a bit. We have 4 trailers full of steel in that garage. And we've got everything separated. There's probably another 500 or 600 pounds here. That piece right there is about 253. That other piece in the garage is another 600 or 700. But we got roughly probably 2 tons of steel, another $400 or $500. It's all got to get hauled away. You might as well separate it as you go. There's probably another 30 bags in front. The peanut gallery always comes out though and says, well, why didn't you put a dumpster under the window? Well, the reality of the situation is, I mean, look at this fucking shit. It was stacked to the goddamn ceiling. You can't even get to the fucking windows. So, but we definitely found some treasures. We've got the 4 trailers of steel in the garage. It's all gonna go back. It's a good day, you get about $225 a ton. So, about 86 man hours total for the removal. There's another 50 or 60 bags in the basement that we still got to get out, and then the demo begins. And for the demo, you can see we can get a dumpster right under those windows, and we will. Over and out.